Look at that, man, big one. Woo! Look at it. Get him in net, get him in net, Zay! Get him in net! Get him in net! You got that in?
Yep.
Sit right there. There is hooks on all of them.
That's our fishing hooks. That's how we have the hooks up.
She floating. You're good. Yeah. Just bring the nose over here. You're good. Like my flag? Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Boozman Outdoors. Today we're out at Lake Pleasant and we're gonna go night fishing for some striped bass. Maybe a catfish if we're lucky. But anyways, we just launched out here just outside the main marina. The sun is just setting. We got probably an hour and a half of light left. And we're gonna be fishing right along the surf break here. I got my buddy Isaiah up here. Hi. He's never been to this lake at all. I don't think he fishes a whole lot too often, so we're gonna try to get him on a fish and see if he drags us around or not. Huh? You want to catch a big one?
Yeah.
How big of a fish you want to catch?
A big one.
How big's a big fish?
Like 2 feet.
2 feet. Okay, that's a good goal.
6 feet.
6. I don't know about 6 feet.
How about
2 foot's pretty achievable. We can find one that big. I've caught them that big.
What about 1 yard?
1 yard.
I think a big one's 1 yard.
I think there's definitely 1 yard fish in here. I have not caught one, but if we do, you're gonna hold a record. I will get you a trophy of my own.
Yay.
All right, that sounds good. So, wish us luck. Hopefully the wind dies down, and we'll see what happens. That rope.
Yeah.
This one. Let me get it for you.
Yeah. Now I do.
Okay. I need you to go and tie it around like that metal over there. It's all good? It's not coming off? Okay. All right, so we got the kayaks tied off. And one thing I learned is if the fish are wet, we might as well be too, right?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, good. Woo! Yeah, you can keep swimming when I'm gonna start fishing. Ah.
I put it like this.
That'll work, that'll work.
I put it through the skull.
That's fine.
I didn't put it in, but I put it through.
Okay, that's good. Set it right in the water right there.
Okay.
Okay, and we're gonna drop it down.
Oh, I just saw the red.
Oh, you better go walk them over, because if I run out of cookies because they're all in the water, I'm gonna be sad. No, 70 foot of water, 67, so. Watch it not work at all. A little one, little guy.
Oh, really? I'm coming.
Woohoo!
Hold up.
Boozman Outdoors.
Hold on, I got him. It's a little one.
Oh, I see that one. Alright.
That's not empty-handed. You want to see him?
Yep.
So that one, he didn't hit it and run. He's getting slime all over my phone.
I'm gonna call that
he
one.
hit it and came up, so I just saw slack in my line, so I checked it.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Bro, they've been eating my, bro, I haven't been checking, but they've been eating my whole line.
Let me get the hook out of his mouth.
All right. After a very long time, we finally got it.
Yeah, we got one. We're not going skunked.
Nope, there's definitely fish here.
Well, nice start, Dean. Nice little one. Fun to catch. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab them like this, okay?
Yeah.
Don't turn them like that, okay?
Okay.
Keep them up and down. All right.
Sure.
Okay. Stick your thumb in his mouth. There you go. Squeeze. There you go. There you go. Nice one. You wanna put him back? Put him right in the hole. Oh, you gotta put him down soft. What was that? Look, see him? Keep the tension on. Reel it in. Is he there? Okay. Hold on. Oh, he's wrapped around my tip. Good that way. There you go. Now reel. Now reel. There you go. There you go, bud. There you go. There we go, bud.
I see it.
You see it? Is he big?
He's big.
Is he really?
So hopefully you don't get tangled. Pull him to the right. Pull him to the right. Pull the rod that way. There you go. There you go. He's bigger than the last one.
Okay.
All right. They got a fish. Yay, buddy.
Let's go. We got that fish, boys.
That's big.
That's bigger. That's bigger.
Go.
Feel good? You want to hold him? All right. Like earlier. Okay. There you go.
Hold it.
Hold him tight.
Sorry.
See?
Jesus. What'd you do that for?
Stab the fuck out of me.
Look at that. Look at that one. Big one. Woo! Look at net. Get him in net. Get him in net, Zay. Get him in net. Get him in net. Ah! Oh my gosh. Sorry, stop reeling. Let out some line. Let out a little line. There you go. Zay's winning.
Got two.
There's a little one again though. There we go. Got another one.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, it's a little bigger, isn't it? Ooh. Hold on. Don't fight when he wants to run, let him run. All right. Pull him to the right a little bit. I don't want him to get tangled up in the other ones. I got him. Oh, you got him up. Loosen him up a little bit. Loosen up. Give me line. Open up the bail. Thank you.
Oh, this is a good one, Zach.
I think he's small again. He's just a good fighter.
He's a good fighter, I guess.
He's a little one though.
Yeah, that's what I meant. He's a good one. He's a good fighter. He's small, but he's a great fighter.
Thank you. Little guy.
I woke up from my nap and it was already done.
Hello Booze Crew, Zach here, and I wanted to show you all how I get these fish at night. After many trials and tests, I finally got a foolproof way to be successful. The most obvious thing you need here is a submersible light. You'll also have to make sure it's green. The green attracts the microorganisms we can't see and in turn the bait fish that eat them. Then finally the big fish we catch come for the bait fish. I've used super awesome skills to illustrate how to use a green light as effectively as possible. The sexy guy up here is me on my kayak. After I find structure with sufficient depth for my target fish, I get my green light out. From there I drop it about 10 foot and turn it on. Within 30 minutes, if I'm in a good spot, I get a nice bait ball around me. Moments later, I will start to see nice large marks or a school of target fish move in. The fish I target and always am successful are the ones in the shadows. The fish just outside the light on the sides or below tend to hit more aggressively more often than not. I prefer to vertical fish just below the light when I am in deep enough water. My sweet spot is between 15 and 35 foot of water. As I fish this area, I drop my bait a few inches at a time until I get attention. Almost all the fish we get are with rods and hands performing this action. It is super simple and extremely fun to be able to constantly catch fish and see monsters just below you. That is unfortunately all the information I got for you today. I hope you all enjoyed the video of my little buddy catching his first striped bass and also my drawings I spent all night making for you. Please don't forget to drop that like button and leave a comment below. I promise I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching Boozman Outdoors.